Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about the Spring interview questions. Let's move on. What is mean by Spring? Spring is a lightweight, loosely coupled and integrated framework for developing enterprise application in Java. What are the advantages of Spring framework? Predefined templates, loosely coupling, easy to test, lightweight, fast development, powerful abstraction, declarative support. What are the modules of the Spring framework? Spring contains Spring Core Container, AOP, Data Access, Web Module. What is IOC and DI? IOC means invention of controller. DI means dependency injection. IOC and DI is a design pattern to provide loosely coupling. It removes the dependency from the program. What is the role of IOC container in Spring? IOC container is responsible to create the instance, configure the instance, and assemble the dependencies. What are the types of IOC container in Spring? There are two types of IOC containers in Spring Framework: Bean Factory, application context. What is the difference between Bean Factory and application context? Bean Factory is a basic container where whereas application context is an advanced container. Application context extends the Bean Factory interface. Application context provides more facilities than the Bean Factory, such as integration with the Spring AOP, message resource handling for II18, etc. What is auto wiring in Spring? What are the auto wiring modes? Auto wiring enables the programmer to inject the bean automatically. We don't need to write explicit injection logic. What is the difference between constructor injection and setter injection? No partial injection in the case of constructor injection. Where in the case of setter injection, partial injection. Better for too many properties, better for few properties. Does not override the setter property, override the constructor property if both are defined. Creates a new instance if any modifications occurs. Does not create the new instance if you change the property value. What are the different bean scopes in Spring? Singleton, prototype, request, session, global session. Singleton. The bean instance will be only once and the same instance will be returned by the IOC container. It is a default scope. Prototype. The bean instance will be created each time when we requested. Request. The bean instance will be created per HTTP request. Session. The bean instance will be created per HTTP session. Global session. The bean instance will be created per HTTP global session. It can be used in a portlet context only. What is the advantage of simple JDBC template? The simple JDBC template supports the features of the where argues and auto boxing. What is AOP? AOP nothing but aspect oriented programming. It is a methodology that divides the programming logic into the piece of parts or concerns. It increases the modularity and the key unit is aspect. What are the advantages of Spring AOP? AOP enables you to dynamically add or remove concerns before or after the business logic. It is pluggable and easy to maintain. What are the advantages of Spring AOP? AOP terminologies or concepts are as follows: join point, advice, point cut, aspect, introduction, target object interceptor, AOP proxy, and weaving. What is joint point cut? Joint point is an any point in your program such as field access, method execution, exception handling, etc. Does Spring Framework supports all joint point? What is AOP? No. Spring Framework supports method execution joint point only. What is advice? Advice represents Action taken by aspects. What are the types of advice in AOP? There are five types of advice in a Spring AOP. Before advice, after written advice, throws advice, around advice. What is point cut? Point cut is the expression language of Spring AOP. What is aspect? Aspect is a class in a Spring AOP that contains advice and join points. What is induction? Induction represents induction of new fields and methods for a type. What is target object? Target object is a proxy object that is advised by one or more aspects. What is interceptor? Interceptor is a class like aspects that contains only one advice only. What is weaving? Weaving is a process of linking aspect with the other application. Does Spring Framework will performing the weaving at compile time? No. Spring Framework performs weaving at runtime. What are the AOP implementations? There are three AOP implementations. Spring AOP, Aspect, Apache, JBoss. What is the front controller class of Spring MVC? The dispatcher servlet class works as the front controller in Spring MVC. What does controller annotation? Controller annotation marks the class as controller class. It is applied on the class. What does request mapping annotation? Request mapping annotation maps the request with the method. It is applied on the method. What does the view resolver class? The view resolver class resolves the view component to be invoked for the request. It defines prefix and suffix properties to resolve the view component. Which view resolver class is widely used? Internal resource view resolver class is widely used. Does Spring MVC provide validation support? Yes. Thank you.